As we said before, we have two elements here, chlorine and sodium. We've seen a little bit of their physical properties. We're now going to look at the fact that they're reactive. This chlorine 287, we're going to try and react it with steel wool. Okay, and to do that, we're just going to light the steel wool and then plunge it into the chlorine. So we'll just light it and then plunge it into here. We can get the lid off. And you can see that it reacts pretty vigorously, and we're getting brown iron chloride. I've kept the lid on there because we do not want too much chlorine into the laboratory. Now, that's showing quite clearly that chlorine, I mean, that thing was burning. Usually things burn in oxygen, but here it was burning in chlorine. Now, the sodium that we showed you before, we've taken a piece out of that and cut a little bit off. And in the beaker, we've got a small amount of water. So we're going to take a small piece of this sodium and we're going to drop it into the water and see what happens. Now it's reacting quite quickly, and with a bit of luck we may get it to react even faster. But if not, we'll put another piece in because it looks as if that's going to fizz out. So we've got another small piece here. We'll just look at it again. It's certainly reacting, but let's have a go at this one here. Fairly obvious that sodium also is a very reactive element. Its electron structure 281, it's reacted with water. We can add some phenolphthalein into this and just to pick up some colour because what it's actually formed is sodium hydroxide. The gas that came off was hydrogen, but the whole point of these two experiments is to show that the two elements, while they're neutral, and you saw me touch them before, they are very reactive.